This VEVOR wood chipper is no joke. Up to 3-inch branches. You can even feed it through this chute. It's a 7-horsepower motor, 212 cc. Wood chipping and mulching machine. It is made from heavy-duty steel. Do, like I said, up to 3 inches. You have a chute to feed branches here, or you can feed stuff down through here. It is gasoline powered, 2 large wheels to drag this around where you need it. It's got a handle here, so this is portable, easy to maneuver. They even have a separate attachment that you can get that will vacuum up leaves. So if you want to make your yard cleanup a breeze, I highly recommend this VEVOR wood chipper mulching machine. It's got free shipping. You get their warranty, but they're limited on the stock because these are selling quickly. If you want to snag one of these before they're out, click that orange shopping cart down there.